Right, so I've made my cabinet. I don't think you need instructions on how to make the cabinet. Obviously haven't put the back on because, oh yeah, that's obvious. We need to, obviously. So yeah, just 4 sides to the cabinet. Hope you can see that. But yeah, this part is quite important, so make sure you're listening. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually try and pop, like it's gonna be touching this side. Cabinet, one side of the cabinet's gonna be on this wall. Luckily, it's the same height as that little ridge. You see that ridge going across over there? That's exactly the same height as the top of this cabinet. So I'm gonna aim for the boiler, top of the boiler cabinet to be there. I know you're probably thinking the top's there, but the boiler goes up a bit higher. That's not gonna be a problem because I'm gonna put a crown on all the cabinets. So you will, from a distance, see a tiny bit popping out the top of the cupboard, but believe me, it's going to look a lot nicer than what it does now. So yeah, basically measure your distance between the wall and your boiler, and then come over to your cabinet, and that measurement there is, obviously this is going to be the side that touches the wall. So I think it was 7 centimeters, or just under 7. So I've given myself 7, and I'm going to be giving, it comes out to something like 29. So I've marked 29 just there. So I'm going to be getting the jigsaw and just cutting literally a line down here and then across here and then again back over there. So we're going to be literally slotting it over the boiler, and it's going to hopefully fit nice and flush. Give myself like a couple of extra mil either side, just so that I've got a little bit of maneuver room. That's the word I'm after. Room to maneuver. So yeah, I mean, kind of, I don't know, I hope this is making sense. It'll all make sense in a bit once you've seen me cut the bit out that we're going to need to obviously get it over that boiler. So yeah, I'll check back in with you guys in a sec. Right, so here we go. This is the bit that we're going to be cutting out. Yeah, it's just obviously 7 centimeters there, 29 there, or however big your boiler is. Just give yourself ample room to maneuver once you've got it up there. So yeah, I mean, if you've got one, or if you want to purchase yourself a nice cordless circular saw, it's like a mini one, it's not like a full-size one, but these things are absolutely like, that literally, it's all about having the right tools. And you could do this with a jigsaw, but I prefer just to do it with a nice circular saw. Katsu, great products, get them on Amazon. Katsu are basically a company that are, they're based in the same factory as Makita. So they're banging out similar tools to Makita. I think they've got all the same designs, really good quality, but it's literally a fraction of the price. So yeah, make sure you check them out, Katsu. Right, there we go, guys. Just cut it out. Need to tidy it up a bit, that part. Didn't go as well as the rest. But yeah, that literally took 5 seconds. Not the quietest of tools. The kids definitely woke up, but we've got a job to do here and we need to do it tonight. So yeah, let's crack on. Okay guys, I've just realised that we need to do a bit more modification. So I've cut the bit out that's going to fit around that bit. I just put it up against it and realised I couldn't push it back because this beauty, the triple action magnetic filter system thing, and obviously a lot of these pipes are going to be another issue. So I'm going to measure the furthest point from the wall to here and make another incision cut out on the cabinet just so that it doesn't conflict with any of this stuff. Okay, right, so this is my new little bit. This is sitting upside down at the moment, so this is the bottom. That's going to be the bottom. Yeah, so I'm going to pop it up. Yeah, I'm just going to pop up there just to see how it fits. Hopefully I've measured it right and I've given myself enough wiggle room. But yeah, I shall, yeah, you'll see it in a minute. Right, so it's just resting at the moment, just on there, but it's going to sit higher. It's going to obviously be in line with that and that bit up there. But yeah, just to give you an idea of what I've done. Just literally I've done that cutout there and the cutout up there. And once that's got the door on, it's fixed in place. That is going to look pretty good. And obviously need to patch that up bit up there. But yeah, that's just a lick of paint. Yeah, we're getting there, guys. So yeah, most of these walls, well, this is an external wall, so it's solid. So yeah, just choosing some wall plugs that are suitable for masonry. So these ones are like 8 by 50, are quite good. Need to use a masonry drill bit if you're drilling into bricks. These DeWalt ones are amazing. I think they're like DeWalt masonry 2, that insane. They go through anything. But yeah, just done a nice little hole for the plug. So yeah, just pop your plug in. Oh, might need a mallet to get it in properly. But just thumb her in. Oh, and yeah, in for that side. I got a Sharpie just to I pushed the boiler cover against the wall and just penciled or just penned in on the wall with a Sharpie where the plugs need to go. And that, you get a handy guideline with these guides. Well, these are the things we're going to be using to secure it. So yeah, obviously I popped this against the wall and just popped a Sharpie in there, gave it a few little squiggles. Same with that one. And yeah, wall plug. Time to get the old screws out now and get it up on the wall. Exciting. Okay, there we have it, guys. So I've just attached it at the top, just there and up there. Luckily I had an extension that allowed me to, well, I've done an extension on an extension. It allowed me to get down the side because obviously the battery on this thing wouldn't allow me to squeeze into that gap. So yeah, that's how it looks at the moment. I've just got to get the door on, nice and level. Brilliant. Right, there we go then. Doorknobs on. Boiler, cupboard, Ikea Metod, cabinet hack. Lovely job. Just got to get the crown on and yeah, I'll show you hopefully a picture later. Right, it's 12:30, just packed up. As you can see, the crown's on. Lovely. One over there. One that goes right to the end of the brand new boiler cupboard. Look at that. Lovely job. Anyway, it's almost finished. It's not quite finished. I'm going to put some shelves in there, make a nice little wine holder thingamajiggy. Then I'm going to finish off all around there, tidy up that bit, paint up there obviously. Oh yeah, it's coming on nicely. Massive difference with a bit of finishing trim. Lovely.